Hello, my name is Lale Ananda Alifa with student number 13012-13018. I'm from IF45INT International Class. Here, I will discuss a little about things that you may have never thought before. You know that the ratio of land and sea on Earth is 3 to 7, and we are used to living like this, with temperature, nature, weather like this. But have you ever thought if the ratio was exchanged, what would our Earth be like? First, Earth temperature rise drastically. Water absorbs a lot of it, with it showing a significant increase in temperature based on this ability. The presence of large amount of water in the ocean help keep the Earth cool. In addition, evaporation of water from oceans and rivers help the Earth regulate its temperature. If the ocean and land swap positions, then the Earth temperature will rise very quickly and become hotter. Most of the land will be dry and barren. Second is reduced oxygen. Marine plants supply about 70% of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. Without ocean, many aquatic plants would quickly disappear, which in turn would lead to less oxygen in atmosphere. The oceans also act as sinks for the carbon dioxide we release into the atmosphere. So if there is a smaller percentage of water, oxygen will decrease on the one hand, and on the other hand, carbon dioxide will increase in the atmosphere. Because carbon dioxide is the cause of the greenhouse effect, this gas can also produce drastic global warming. And then, fauna on Earth is changing. The exchange of position between the ocean and land will have an impact on the forms of life on Earth. The temperature will rise drastically. The amount of oxygen in the atmosphere will decrease, and carbon dioxide will increase. All of this makes human life on this planet difficult. For animals and plants to thrive, they must evolve to survive and thrive. Due to the lack of availability of plants, the rate of extinction will be faster, and herbivores face a heavier burden than carnivores. In addition, weather conditions will also make cold-blooded animals more successful at surviving than warm-blooded ones, including humans. Land transportation easier. With a large plot of land which can be connected without a disturbance caused by standing water, land transportation will become easier. If land and sea exchange position, the sea transportation mode will be greatly reduced. Countries that depend on export of marine products will suffer. Changing human civilization and economy. Water is the source of life. When water becomes scarce, the countries of this world will try to control as much water as they can. Their exploration could escalate into a full-blown war. The economy of countries that depends on marine life will also be affected, while an economy that does not depend on marine life may consider in the only search of survival. Wow! You can imagine how the condition of the Earth after the exchange between land and sea. A little scary, isn't it? Therefore, we as humans must be able to keep our Earth healthy and green to make our life on Earth more quality. Maybe that's all from our discussion today. Thank you. Hope you enjoy it.